Imagine starting with just $50 and watching it grow into $500. Sounds exciting, right? Let's turn this dream into reality together. Ready to start? Here's the challenge: transform a small $50 into a whopping $500. How fast can you do it? Time to find out. Are you up for it? First step: find items to resell. Check out garage sales, thrift stores, or online marketplaces. Your treasure hunt begins now. Spot a hidden gem. Grab it. Look for items with potential. The thrill of finding a valuable piece is unmatched. Keep your eyes open. Bought your first item? Great! Now, let's list it for sale. Take clear photos and write a catchy description. Watch the offers roll in. An offer comes in. Exciting, right? Negotiate smartly to maximize your profit. Every dollar counts. Ready to seal the deal? Sold. Your first sale is done. How does it feel to see that $50 grow? Keep the momentum going. What's your next find? Reinvest your profit. Find more items to flip. The more you buy and sell, the faster your money grows. Keep hustling. Share your progress. Document your journey. Post updates, share tips, and inspire others. Your story can motivate many. Stay patient and persistent. Not every item will sell quickly. Keep listing and promoting your items. Your $500 goal is in sight. Explore new markets. Try selling on different platforms. More exposure means more buyers. Broaden your reach. Track your expenses and profits. Knowing your numbers helps you make better decisions. Every cent brings you closer to $500. Network with other resellers. Learn from their experiences and share your own. The community is here to support you. Celebrate small wins. Each sale brings you closer to the goal. Stay motivated and enjoy the process. You're doing great. Experiment with different items. Find out what sells best for you. Variety can boost your sales and keep things interesting. Offer bundle deals. Combine related items for a better value. Buyers love bargains, and you'll move inventory faster. Keep improving your skills. Learn how to spot valuable items and negotiate better deals. Knowledge is power in reselling. Use social media to promote your items. More visibility can lead to quicker sales. Share your listings with your followers. Learn from your mistakes. Not every sale will be a success. Use setbacks as learning experiences. Keep pushing forward. Stay organized. Keep track of your inventory and sales. A tidy workspace can boost your productivity and efficiency. Join reseller groups or forums. Exchange ideas and get advice from experienced sellers. Community support is invaluable. Invest in quality packaging. Great presentation can lead to positive reviews and repeat customers. Make a lasting impression. Stay flexible. Market trends change, and so should your strategy. Adapt to stay ahead and keep your sales strong. Celebrate reaching milestones. Each step toward $500 is a victory. Reward yourself for the hard work. You deserve it. Learn to say no. Not every offer is worth accepting. Hold out for the right buyers who see the value in your items. Stay positive. Reselling has its ups and downs. Keep your spirits high and focus on your goals. You're closer than you think. Keep learning. Attend workshops or watch tutorials. The more you know, the better you'll become at reselling. Ask for feedback. Customer reviews can help you improve. Listen and adapt to become a better seller. Showcase success stories. Share testimonials from happy customers. Positive feedback can attract more buyers. Keep the challenge alive. Even after reaching $500, continue to set new goals. The journey of growth never ends.